Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now, strip hardware and clean thoroughly because paint bonds to clean surfaces. Once done, scuff glossy areas with 120-150 grit so the paint grips. Make sure to mix the chalk paint until smooth. If it drags, add 5-10% water to improve flow. Load your brush evenly, tap off excess, and lay a first thin coat along the grain. This first coat establishes adhesion and color. Let it dry 30-60 minutes before assessing coverage and avoiding heavy rework. Once the first coat is dry, you build color with 2-3 thin coats. Patience beats one heavy layer. Make sure to use a foam roller on flat panels to avoid brush marks, and switch to a round or sash brush for crevices and detail. Lightly sand with 220 grit between coats to knock down fibers and ensure the next layer levels perfectly. If you want a layered or antiqued look, apply a contrasting glaze or thinned paint and wipe back while still wet for controlled depth. You finish by choosing a sealer. Paste wax for soft, authentic chalk finish or a water-based poly for durability. Apply 1-2 thin coats and let cure. Once waxed, buff to desired sheen with a clean cloth. Once poly is cured, reinstall hardware and use felt pads to protect surfaces. If you see bubbling, drips, or brush marks, don't panic. Sand the flaw with 220 grit, wipe clean, and recoat thinly. Make sure to test fixes in an inconspicuous spot first to confirm the result.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.